Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Behavior-based security. Behavior-based security is a form of threat detection that does not rely on known malicious signatures, but instead uses informational context to detect anomalies in the network. Behavior-based detection involves capturing and analyzing the flow of communication between a user on the local network and a local, or remote destination. These communications, when captured and analyzed, reveal context and patterns of behavior which can be used to detect anomalies. Behavior-based detection can discover the presence of an attack by a change from normal behavior. Honeypots. A honeypot is a behavior-based detection tool that first lures the attacker in by appealing to the attacker's predicted pattern of malicious behavior, and then, when inside the honeypot, the network administrator can capture, log, and analyze the attacker's behavior. This allows an administrator to gain more knowledge and build a better defense. Cisco's Cyber Threat Defense Solution Architecture. This is a security architecture that uses behavior-based detection and indicators to provide greater visibility, context, and control. The goal is to know who, what, where, when, and how an attack is taking place. This security architecture uses many security technologies to achieve this goal. This figure displays the evolution of cyber threats. Viruses, 1990s, I Love You, Melissa, Anna Kournikova, Defense, Antivirus, Firewalls, Worm, 2000s, Nimba, SQL Slammer, Configure, Defense, Intrusion Detection and Prevention. Defense, Intrusion Detection and Prevention. Botnets, late 2000s to current, Tdru, Rustock, Configure, Defense, Reputation, DLP, App. Aware Firewalls, Directed Attacks, APTs, Today, Aurora, Shady Rat, Duke, Strategy, Visibility and Context.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.